I'm Ethan from CardSpot, and this is your daily pack opening for November 4th, 2024. Right, into today's pack, let's see what wonders await us inside this one. We have the Sangen Furo, Newbie, Never-Ending Nightmare Absorber, Tactical Trainer of the Six Samurai, Anarchist Monk of the Six Samurai, Aquajet Surface, Guilt of the Sinful Spoils, Xyz Poseidon Splash, and Battle Wasp Grand Partisan The Revolution. If you want to see more full-length openings, head over to @CardSpot on YouTube. Otherwise, we'll see you back here tomorrow for our daily pack.